Alright, abusia eye chama wontumi yes ni new lawyer amanebo no echemu echese papa yi asadi nani ade achiremu ewo eye high court. Yes, no kodu eye high court no abusia ne course anasa nkomo a course ewo eye high court nam so ema eye high court judge tumi epam no no. Eni moma yenti eba sese ebe so ase. Obe subscribe be like na wabo aso ahye for person be tie no anya bi ate be media je be pasa konya we so ado be biara ase. Na so be share nso edi ama say ha ye ni atem ya adwen ena eche woni ehu na ete e social media so mama yenko na yinti nsem a eye ka bi na ko de tela busu anche so de free eye Accra High Court and say e be ka say High Court and come a course between eye chema want to be a new lawyer and
supposed to tolerate this. Now Hadia, you see when you read on the 3rd June proceedings, you ask yourself, say, but why was the court allowing this? Now, Mami Ridi Adewincho, this is what happened in court on the 3rd of June. Oh, sorry. On the 5th, right? Yeah. So, on the 3rd of June, Omoko court na adi esi eni. So, on the 3rd, almost on the 5th. But the judge had to address adibia apia kubini chema wontumi ye. Ababe P attachia is doing same, and that is the most dangerous part in this case. Now, Hadia, let's take our time and go through what actually happened in court. And these are some of the things that attachia is asking for. And these are things that are documents that he can even go to Apia Kubi and demand. But because he wants to delay the court, he wants to abuse the court, that's why they are doing this. But sure, before Ochina Omako Court. Now, on the 5th of May 2026, this is 5th May, near June crowd. Now, they see a court. The accused person filed 2 witness statements out of the 5 witnesses they listed. Now, on the 6th May 2026, the accused person filed another witness statement, making 3 in number. They, however, informed the court of their intentions of filing 2 witness statements in addition. The court conducted CMC on the 3 witness statements and proceeded with the trial with the anticipation that the 2 witnesses, the other 2 witness statements will be filed by the accused person before the end of cross-examination of the other 3 witnesses. So, I'm file witness cases, witnesses. Say, Sanipa we and your call case management, your person omoba. So on the 6th, the accused person filed another witness statement. Remember, on the 5th, the accused person filed 2 witness statements. Now, out of the 5 witnesses they listed, inti na or say or nipa or witness statement 5 Sibu wa filing. Now, what happened is on the 6th, even though on the 5th, okay, say 5, on the 6th, a buy, afi or say they can only file only 2. But during the CMC, that's the case management, they said they were going to file 5. Omobedu court on the 6th, they are going to use only 2. Now, means 3 now also filing famba. That's fine. The court allowed them. And then you can see, it was a deliberate thing they were doing. Oh, yeah, the nipa 5 remember. Omoni ebe from our bad kim. Abeka omano asem. Ne atuto omano. No mabuame with a chema wontumi. Afiom could do court pena dani. Oh, yeah, the menu pen ebe bande. Abra, bodin kai aye case management. Judge atia say, oh, nipa num ne bia and ombeba. Nipa num ne ya file. Ya be free we and the ochani a free we no. What they do, they say, omokoye sa meeting you no mudru court pe. Na apia kubi we change bibia. Instead of 5 statements, both are adani 2 and adani 3. And this is what transpired on the 5th, on the 6th of May. Now, don't worry, however, at the end of the cross-examination of the 3 witnesses, the accused person had not filed any additional witness statement. Go ahead still. And then they did what? They cross-examined the 3 witnesses from Chema Wontumi. Now, the funny thing is, time cross-examining of the 3 witnesses, the accused, Apia Kubi, they had still not filed witness statements of the other witnesses. Now, the court cautioned the accused persons and gave them 7 days to file additional witness statements if they are so minded. Into my court bufuye, judge in bufuye. And I can say Apia Kubi. Sanko for ya will say witnesses are much wontumi. me ba be warn you mo say omo empe omo ho asem a omo mbra no be file omo state because on paper the CMC case management no e kire say e also be file na yetumi ko enimo case no inte ma judge bufu your court and o ka say de mo ye no nyanse bi enim ye ko case ni nyina ho adwuma behind the scenes say nipa dodo say na ebe kasa we na beto ye beduru pe na wo apia kubi ne chema wontumi enkofo wo so mbe kasa no na sebio ye hu bebi omnam omo statement so omo famba enti why how are we moving forward and all this the judge had the patience to listen. So at the point the judge said no, I need to send a caution to Oma Jatum so be witnesses for chema wontumi. Now this is what happened on the 25th of May. So from the 6th, the 25th of May, something happened. On the 25th of May, 2026, the accused persons filed a fourth witness statement in the name of Honorable Kobna Ochredako Mensah. The court conducted CMC on this witness statement and proceeded and adopted the evidence in chief of the witness. Cross-examination commenced. The mouth of the witness was sealed and matter adjourned for continuation of cross-examination. Enti right now naka witnesses mienu chema wontumi apia kubi be file. So judge ni ma sa caution no a omu say judge ni bu fuba no e no ba omde ba akoba so ye de ba akwaba na ba akoro na gabi kobi ochredako the former Western Regional the minister akwana de nise petuo no gibi no num wi no. So when the guy came to court, they see and they say, appear could be more making sure say one kasa. Cross examination you better to a witness no. Appear could be any chairman want to be by almost so effort strategy we say witness and he say obi na no kasa almost selina no almost person be answer to anything and that day no ye ntime ndi dwuma or court and a court case something let's adjourn ye two case ni sheda. They use another technicality to prevent the witness from speaking. When they were in court that day, Saturday ni so no awosanka Kobi Ochredako Attorney General in Samano no ono so to obudin yebusana ono so person bekasa Emma o waste time Emma appear could be use delay tactics for court eka say because of something me client into me kasa because of Emma akwano sorry kofi ma yentumi antena case so Emma judge ni sa to case ni sheda because the time not time na court. And remember from the 5th of May judge need to make nyadian abotre for all these things. It's from the 5th of May to the 25th of May, no, anka witnesses ni nyina anka cross-examine but appear could be deliberately or making sure say court no schedule no or best schedule no because he wanted to delay the case. He never wanted the case to end. And these are some of the things they did in court and the ABPH attaching so picky from here. So I just say a baton. We echo kakra no da come away now we be delay. So it's a delay strategy. Now the same court, I'm sure the court is here. They see any before continuation of cross-examination, counsel for the accused, that is Apia Kubi, person informed the court that let me take this. Before continuation of cross-examination, counsel for the accused person informed the court they had filed a supplementary witness statement in respect of the same witness. In terms of our court to be after appear could be catching the court to say Kobi Ochredako or the statement tuma yebebusebusa na no asem no appear could be say was filing another statement akasa statement no home until say yebeje sa statement na tumu no sa Kobi Ochredako no to be nkasa. But remember answer na witness babet na dakem ne ebusebusa na no nsem no ye very BCMC judge no on it two lawyers no ehia behind the scenes no mo nyina age questions ebe bubusa nipa no atum ye wia na ye de ama court no eno na ye dru court ebe di nkomo. Now what appear could be did and say statement na Kobi Ochredako edin kan attended in say eno na the witness statement Attorney General ebe hweso to na no ade chi bi no betena court appear could be catch the court say ne witness no esa another statement bi or person de saka the statement no meaning sa first statement na da no yentumi ndi ho adwuma yensan kɔ biem na yenkɔ another CMC case management behind the scenes na yen first supplementary statement na san kan the witness statement no meaning it's a clear strategy to delay the court. And all this while na judge no won't show any anger. The judge was still accommodating Apia Kubi. Kobi Ochredako first time almost silina no mama nankasa Apia Kubi make excuses. ade chi bi ro metena ase a apia ku bi catch record say oh me witness no na won sem bi kan rempo afinti e side be ka ho na eno no because court engine to munti they are not going to allow a cross examination omo pese court ne gin supplementary edien na asam ne sa ka ho ansa na yato aso, meaning the delay tactics is in force. They just don't want the case to move forward. Make sure the delay on my bedroom there, on my abuse court now, and the court should not allow Atachia to even make a statement in court. The judge or the court should not even entertain Atachia because Adia appear could be a year from day one. That is what Atachia is continuing, and it's also up 6 weeks, And when you give him 6 weeks, you ask for another 10 weeks. Now, Mamichiro abuses Nibi. Now, so when this happened, now the judge started getting frustrated. The judge started getting angry because it looks like say the taxpayers' money every single minute we are judge we are basically paying the judge. Every minute we are general court, we are basically paying them. So the judge is like, you know what, the taxpayer, we cannot waste their money like that. We need to basically move on, do the thing. I said the piano, I appear to be chairman to be bar. Witness cra. Witness about na document. Ya printed document. Obianum se we dey busa question. Or say witness so akai bibi. Inti esi ano yen to be nkasande. Yen fa nko kan ansa na witness na kasa. Now the judge when something happened. Now, notwithstanding his so this is what happened. Notwithstanding this irregularity, the courts obliged and conducted CMC on the supplementary witness statement and proceeded with the trial. Inti appear could be by and so yes, I was statement be a an framework is mandate any judge to say without written submissions, I cannot come out with my judgment. If tomorrow, say judge way 6 weeks, go and write her. What is going to happen is all the criminal cases we are seeing in court, and we are working with precedents here. This is legal field. We are talking about precedents. Edubuahen money ade. Lawyers in there. Edubuahen lawyer she. Skytrain lawyers she. Give to a warrior lawyer she. Buffer stock lawyer she. All the criminal cases in court today are oral. Lawyers she. Remember, Sir Judge Way, with all due respect to the judge, Ochina decided to be granted attachment 6 weeks. So uncle now Abra Odim say any mandatory from her own ruling. No, what is going to happen? And say, some cases when they will drag it. Now lawyers of these respective cases will drag the case. Eka 1 month. Not judge, in the judgment bar. They will come and tell you. The accused will tell the court to say, you know what? I don't want to like my lawyer again, and that I am bringing you a new lawyer. And what that lawyer is going to say is that I am basing my application on that application that was granted when Atachia took over from Apia Kubi as a new lawyer who was given 6 weeks. So me too, right now, the accused has changed his lawyer. I am the new lawyer. I am also telling you, and court is all about basing on your statement of facts and evidence. All the lawyers are going to wait. So Ochina, if this judge respectfully, this honorable judge says, oh, Atachia 6 weeks, all the criminal cases, we will never finish the cases. I'm telling you. All those cases, none of them will be concluded in Ghana. Because all that you need to do is that, as an accused person, get 4 lawyers on standby. Every time your case echo close, no which a new lawyer, another one about you know what, I need to go back and look at the whole case again. So, with all due respect, my lord, give me 6 months. I need to go back because this case has been in court for 3 years. I have to go back from day one and analyze. Or cover now on 2 days my judgment about or say I don't want to work with this client again. Now another lawyer. But can you stop them? No, because the precedents have been set. Because you, the judge, with all due respect, you created that room. You have created that hole, and all of them are going to use it. Let me tell you, when it comes to cases in court, you know the Gamanches case in court. When my case was in court, the smart lawyers of the Gamanche basically. Some of their arguments
should be Ghana politics avenue. So send you a huge media send you see order, send you when they say join. Make sure so be like overshare some of your emotions to make a and I'm the like it median. Now one some can so fashion comment section Ghana politics ever bread or church or don't tell CBS. It didn't be here, Akroma.